Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a gaseous planet. It is called that because it is made up of many gases. William Herschel discovered Uranus through a telescope on March 13, 1781. Uranus is 2.9 billion miles from the Sun. It takes 84 Earth years to circle the Sun. The rotation period is 17 hours and 18 minutes. Its orbital speed is 4.23 miles per second. Uranus gets the same seasons as us, but the seasons last over 20 years. Uranus has 15 or more moons. The larger moons are Titania, Umbriel, Ariel, Oberon, and Miranda. The other 10 moons are named after years. Their diameters are between 100 and 25 miles. Titania has a gray surface that is covered with rough rocks and has trenches that are thousands of miles long. Its diameter is 982 miles across. Umbriel is the darkest moon of the larger moons. Its surface is covered with overlapping craters. Its diameter is 728 miles across. Ariel is the brightest moon. On the surface there are valleys and huge canyons. Ariel and Umbriel are named after characters in a poem by Alexander Pope. Miranda is 293 miles across. Miranda is the strangest moon in the solar system. On Miranda's surface, there are deep groves, valleys, ridges, and oval-shaped racetrack patterns. The racetrack patterns are rows of valleys. The valleys are deeper than the Grand Canyon. Oberon is 947 miles across. Oberon has large craters that were once flooded by lava. Uranus is a bluish-green planet because of the clouds. Scientists believe that oceans are under the clouds. Uranus lies on its side, so the South Pole points to the Sun. The diameter of Uranus is 51,000 miles across. On the surface of Uranus there are violent storms. Scientists believe that it has no surface, just hot, watery atmosphere. If Uranus was hollow, we could fit 50 Earths in it. Uranus is on a tilt of 97, and scientists believe it got hit by something bigger than it. Uranus is the only planet that its axis is pointing to the Sun. It has 11 rings that are made of fine dust particles. 9 of the rings can be identified. Epsilon rings are about 20 miles long, but other rings are about 14 miles long. When rings move in front of a star, it blocks the starlight. Uranus is 2.8 million kilometers from the Sun. Uranus can be seen from the Sun. Uranus might have a molten rock core. The atmosphere is mostly made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Haze and smog are also in the atmosphere. Uranus has bluish-green clouds on it that are made of liquid water ammonia ice. They contain methane gas. Scientists have estimated the temperature in the clouds to be 215 Celsius. Uranus by JoseyUranus.